8 foods to avoid for a healthy testosterone boost. Hello, health enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Testosterone is a crucial hormone in the realm of men's health. It is important for functions in both men and women, but is more important for men. Testosterone influences everything from sex drive to muscle mass and fat distribution. It also plays a part in regulating mood and red blood cell production, and even helps increase bone density. Surprisingly, your diet can significantly impact your testosterone. We're going to touch on the top 8 foods to avoid if you want to keep your testosterone in check and why. Number 1. Processed foods. Your body is a high-performance engine. Just as you want the best high-quality fuel to help that little engine run, you want a large quantity of nutrient-dense foods to help your body function at its optimum level. The body does okay when you feed it low-grade fuel, but after years of running on this, you will begin to show some wear and tear. That same principle applies to processed foods. We'll start off by saying it is helpful to limit consumption of processed foods for a multitude of health reasons. But in this case, it is because processed foods are likely to be high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients. This can lead to gaining body fat, which in turn can lower the amount of testosterone you have. More body fat means more estrogen, the female sex hormone, and this is likely why it can lead to low testosterone in men. Number 2. Alcohol. Picture alcohol as the inconsiderate party guest at your body's complex hormonal party. An occasional drink or two may not cause too much lasting harm, but making alcohol a regular guest can invite trouble. Alcohol has the unfortunate effect of attacking the liver, which is responsible for metabolizing hormones, including testosterone. After years of heavy drinking, that drop in testosterone can be likened to turning down the volume on your favorite song until it's barely audible. Number 3. Soy products. Soy products contain phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds that could cause your body to mimic estrogen. Consider the scenario this way. Your body's estrogen receptors are like a lock. Estrogen itself is a key to that lock. Phytoestrogens, in a way, are a spare key that may or may not work in that same lock, potentially throwing off your hormonal balance. Again, moderate consumption might not be a problem for everybody, but a heavy soy-based diet, tofu, Asian food, protein bars, could potentially lead to lower testosterone levels in some cases. Number 4. Dairy products. While dairy products are a great source of protein and calcium, they can also be high in synthetic hormones. These hormones are given to cows to increase their size and milk production. Although it makes cows bigger and milk production increase, it may do the opposite to you. One way to think of it that makes sense is that it's like filling a room with natural air and artificial air freshener. At first, the artificial air freshener is much more noticeable, but then over time, the scent of the natural air stabilizes the room. This is how the artificial hormones in the dairy can interfere with the production of natural testosterone in your body. Number 5. Baked goods and sugars. White sugars and flours are highly processed, and they release a lot of glucose in your body. This causes your insulin levels to spike. When this happens, your body will then experience a massive crash in energy and lead to a production of more insulin to deal with the now lower blood sugar level. This can cause your body to become insulin resistant, and this is a huge factor in how a diet high in sugars and baked goods can bring about a reduction in your testosterone levels. Number 6. Tran Fats. These are the evil villain of the nutrition world. As you're aware, cholesterol is the precursor to all of the body's steroid hormone. One of the worst foods on the planet, trans fats are in all kinds of fried foods and many baked goods. An American Thoracic Society study that tracked the diets of 209 men found that those who got 30% of their daily calories from fat, half of which was saturated, had significantly lower sperm counts than those who got 30% of their calories from fat, with only 15% of it coming from the saturate kind. You can bet that the trans variety made up much of the rest. Not only can trans fats increase LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, decrease HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol, they can also increase the harmful oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which we've noted can be like rust in the body, putting strain on the system and decreasing testosterone levels. Number 7. Mint. In particular, spearmint and peppermint can lower your testosterone levels. Many believe the popular herb has digestive benefits, but studies have shown that it can dramatically reduce testosterone and function as a very real anti-androgen in the body, working like a light switch to dim your hormonal production. Number 8. Licorice root. One of the more surprising items on the list of testosterone killers, licorice root, a common ingredient in candies and sweeteners, has been shown to lower testosterone levels in healthy subjects. A recent study found it reduced many of the body's most important hormones and even had causational effect in erectile tissue. The male participants took a 7-gram dose of licorice, equivalent to 7 Twizzlers. An animal study in the New England Journal of Medicine had a lesser dosage, which was still enough to admit that it substantially decreases testosterone levels. And one in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry strikingly showed how that there was almost complete destruction of the male's normal reproductive cycle. Imagine your endocrine system as a production line. If you have a problem in any one of the pipes, a stoppage in flow to any one of the subsequent pipes will result. Many of these testosterone killers are eating away at the heart of your very manhood. The takeaway message: making dietary adjustments to naturally increase your testosterone levels doesn't mean eat a bland diet. It's about making educated choices, much like selecting the right fuel for your car or the best software for your computer. By avoiding or minimizing these foods, you can potentially ensure your body's hormonal engine runs well and efficiently well into the future, supporting your health and well-being. Keep in mind that diet is only one piece of the pie. Regular exercise, stress management, and plenty of sleep are also key pieces to maintaining healthy testosterone levels and a balanced hormonal profile. Consider it a holistic approach where all parts work in tandem, like instruments in an orchestra, to deliver a symphony of robust health. For personalized advice, always consult with a healthcare provider. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Stay proactive about your health, and see you in the next video.